In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a standing leg curl and toe raise at the same time. So let's go through what both of those are individually, and then let me show you how we're going to put them together. So a leg curl means to bring the heel into a position where it becomes closer to the glutes. When I'm curling the leg, it means coming into flexion of the knee. So bringing that heel closer towards my butt. From here, a toe raise, if I do this on the other leg, is where I'm going to raise my toes or raise my heels off the floor and back down. So let's put those two together. I'm going to be doing exactly the same, the toe raise on my left leg, or calf raise, or sometimes heel raises they're known as, and I'm going to be flexing my knee coming into that leg curl on my right side. I've got a chair here, so you can use a chair for balance, or alternatively you can use the wall. Anything that's not going to move as a fixed resistance object would be fantastic because it takes the risk away from the exercise. Okay, so I'm going to do both at the same time, and I'm going to bring both down at the same time. So I'm bringing my heel down as well as my leg down at the same time and bringing them up at the same time. The tempo and speed, I'm looking to hold the movement at the top for a split second, as well as trying to keep my breathing nice and relaxed. And I'm going to repeat this for my desired amount of sets and repetitions before doing exactly the same on the other leg.